In this video, I will show you how to get started with the Hostinger affiliate program and hopefully make some nice money with it. So basically there are two different kind of affiliate programs for Hostinger. Now the first one is the affiliate program that Hostinger offers internally. So if you are a client of Hostinger, you can go to their website and go to refer and earn, and then you will see this screen. Now what you can do is you can share this link, your own referral link, on your social media to your friends, family, etc. that want to buy Hostinger. But there are some heavy criteria that you need to follow. So criteria for new referrals. New users only. The person you're sharing the link to cannot have any existing hosting account at Hostinger. Hosting purchases only. Rewards that are only eligible for first-time purchases of web hosting or VPS plans for 12 months or longer. So only 1 month plans are not eligible. Purchases of domains, emails and cPanel hosting do not qualify. The referred client does not refund and is active for at least 45 days. So these are some great or some sad downside of the internal affiliate program of Hostinger. So there is another way of how you can promote Hostinger. Now that way is via Impact. I will leave a link in the description down below for you to check out. But this is basically Impact is an affiliate network where a lot of companies can put their affiliate program on, and you as an affiliate can apply to promote those certain brands. Also Hostinger, and usually the deals on Impact are much better than the internal affiliate programs for also Hostinger. So when you apply for Hostinger, you can earn 40% of any online sale. So domain name, email, web hosting, etc. 40% of that, and lifetime access. So that is very nice. So I would, highly suggest you to go to Impact and then, grab this own link and promote Hostinger through Impact. But how can you really promote Hostinger? Now, basically, there is one way which I really like, and I've used it a lot, or I still use it, and this way you can make some nice money. Now, this way is by writing blogs, and you may think writing blogs, that is very boring. Is it still up to date? Are people still reading blogs these days? Yes, they are, because yes, they are, especially for Hostinger and SiteGround, etc. Just domain and web hosting in general, they are really popular. So what you need to do is you need to create a website, and then what you can do is you can write blogs about Hostinger. For example, comparison blogs. So Hostinger versus SiteGround, Hostinger versus Bluehost, Hostinger versus etc. etc. There are tons and tons of web hosters out there. You can make a lot of content. And then what you do is you can write a blog, even with ChatGPT, and you can just write blogs about the pros and cons, pricing, the features, which is more affordable, etc. Make it very valuable. This way Google will rank your blog higher in their algorithm. As you can see, this article is quite long, but with ChatGPT you can easily create this. Add some screenshots in there, and this way you will rank higher in Google. And what you can do is add, of course, your affiliate link, because as you can see, this person also adds buttons. As you can see, discover hosting and plans, and when I tap on this link, it is probably 99% it is an affiliate link, and when I buy Hostinger through that link, he will get a commission. So that is a really nice and great method of earning some money through the affiliate link or through the affiliate program of Hostinger. Now another way is through System.io. Now again, I have a link in the description down below for System, but this is basically an all-in-one platform for marketing. So you can write your own blogs, your emails, your etc. etc. There are tons and tons of features on here, and basically what you can do is you can write content. For example, write emails about Hostinger, make a little course about Hostinger, how to use it, write blogs about Hostinger, sell products, free products or really low products about Hostinger, host webinars, etc. 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 This is a really nice way of promoting Hostinger. And what you can do is you can just write some content about Hostinger and send an email about the content you just wrote, and then again, of course, add your affiliate link to that site. Now you can get started for free with Systeme.io, which is very, very cool. So that is basically how I use, or how I make money with the Hostinger affiliate program. And I will show you how you can basically do keyword research for those blogs that you want to write. So what you need to do is you need to open an incognito page, and then just go to google.com, go to the search bar and type Hostinger. Right? In this case, we want to write a blog post about Hostinger, but what you can do is you can type Hostinger, then type versus, and here you can see a lot of web hosters that you can write a blog about. So the higher the search results rank, the more people are searching for that specific keyword. So for example, Hostinger versus SiteGround is a very popular keyword. So what you can do is you can maybe create a blog about another web hoster, for example A2 hosting. Or what you can do is you can type, instead of the A, you can type the B, Bluehost versus SiteGround. Or instead of the B, you can type the C, Cloud, Contabo, for example this one. As you can see, this blog is published 6 days ago, and people are searching for this, otherwise this doesn't rank. Contabo versus Hostinger. When I tap on this link, as you can see, go to Hostinger, and this is, as you can see in the left down corner of my screen, this is an affiliate link, and this person earns probably quite a lot of money with this blog alone. So this really works, and yeah, it's pretty easy as well. Now I will show you another method on how to do keyword research. Now another method is by going to answerthepublic.com, then type your keyword in this little bar. You can either select Google, Bing, YouTube, but I recommend you to select Google if you want to write articles, of course. Then just type Hostinger, put this on United States as well as English, and then tap on search. Alright, and now what this tool is going to do is going to make up a list, a long list. It's going to make a database of all things where, of all the search or all the keywords that people are searching about, including the word Hostinger. So as you can see, you can filter this on questions. So for example, why is Hostinger bad? Why is Hostinger not good? Why is Hostinger down? But also, let me see. Can I delete Hostinger WordPress plugin? Can you upgrade Hostinger plan? Hostinger how to refund? And also questions with, like this. Hostinger for WordPress, Hostinger for this, Hostinger for that, etc., etc. Comparisons, Hostinger versus SiteGround, Hostinger versus Squarespace, Hostinger versus GoDaddy, etc., etc. There are tons and tons of ways on how you can do keyword research. And what I recommend you is go to questions and basically answer a lot of these questions in your blog, because people are searching for all of these questions. And if you put nearly all of these questions within your blog, your blog will rank higher and higher in Google, and this way you can earn more money with Hostinger. And of course, this not only works for Hostinger, but this also works for other affiliate programs. So that is basically how you can make money with the affiliate program of Hostinger. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.